Hello friends, welcome back to my channel where we will explore the ins and outs of living with diabetes. Today we will be tackling a commonly asked question: can people with diabetes eat cheese? Cheese is a beloved food that adds flavor and richness to countless dishes, but its high fat and calories content has left many diabetics wondering if it's off limits. Let's dive into the science and find out the answer once and for all. First of all, we will talk about the role of cheese in a diabetic diet. While cheese is a high in fat and calories, it is also a good source of protein and calcium. Protein can help stabilize blood sugar level, while calcium is essential for bone health. For these reasons, cheese can be a valuable addition to a balanced diabetic diet when consumed in moderation. Now let's discuss about impact of cheese on our blood sugar level. One concern many people with diabetes have about cheese is its potential impact on blood sugar level. This means that cheese is less likely to cause a sharp spike in blood sugar level when eaten in moderation. Now we have established that people with diabetes can indeed eat cheese. Let's talk about best ways to incorporate it into your diet. Cheese can be added to salads, sandwich, omelets, and soups for the boost of flavor and nutrition. While cheese can be a healthy addition to a diabetic diet, some type of cheese are higher in sodium than other. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Now, I suggest you to consult with your healthcare provider. As always, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider or registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet. They can help you create a personalized meal plan that includes cheese in a safe and healthy way. Your healthcare team can also provide guidance on monitoring your blood sugar level and adjusting your insulin or medication as needed. Remember to approach cheese like any other food with moderation and mindfulness. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next time. Stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.